Let's test this SAP MM automation with different materials and storage locations and see if it runs without any errors. Stop wasting your hours manually. Entering material reservations into SAP one row at a time. This dynamic VBA solution automates the MB21 process by looping through your Excel data and triggering scripts instantly. Say goodbye to manual friction and human error while you master the bridge between spreadsheets and SAP material management. Let us show you the power of dynamic VBA row loops. We are diving deep into SAP scripting to transform static Excel material lists into automated MB21 reservations and subsequent good issue, MIGO. Learn how to map variable data sets with precision, ensuring every line item is processed perfectly without lifting a finger. Welcome to our automation interface. Developed in VBA using functionalities of Excel and SAP GUI scripting, offering the users a common interface to record and execute SAP processes. Let's start by pressing this button. This logs you onto SAP with your credentials. The Setup button is used to enter the one-time details like user ID, password, etc. All your automations are classified by modules. Change the module. Descriptions will dynamically change. All this depends on index sheet. Details of your process entered into the index sheet will dynamically update the drop-downs. In this video we will show you material reservations automation, bulk process. During this process you will also see VBA code and SAP GUI script adjustments, each starting with creation of material reservation, MIGO, good issue, process and posting. Finally the Excel table will be updated with the SAP document numbers. SAP block attempt to post a reservation dated 18 April 2026, which is Saturday. You cannot post a transaction on holidays. SAP suggests the posting date as April 20th, 2026 Monday. This requires a recording in SAP GUI scripting and a subsequent adjustment in VBA code. So in this walkthrough, we didn't just execute an SAP process, we experienced how it behaves in real scenarios. From reservation creation to goods issue, and even incorrect attempts, each step highlighted how important correct execution is. One key takeaway: reservation is only a commitment, while goods issue is the actual stock movement. And as we saw, manual execution can easily lead to errors and inconsistencies. That's where automation becomes powerful, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. Let's test our system with different material and storage location. There shouldn't be any error. This time we will use MB52 to verify the stock balances. Before and after execution of MB21 to MIGO process. So, as we've seen, the automation from MB21 to MIGO executed successfully without any errors. We tested with different materials and storage locations, and the system behaved exactly as expected. Most importantly, using MB52, we verified the stock balances before and after execution, and the results are accurate and consistent. This confirms that the automation is reliable and working correctly in a real SAP environment. This is how you should always validate your processes, not just by execution, but by verifying the final stock impact. In the next video, we'll take this further and explore more advanced scenarios.